Folding e-bike controller replacement video. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws that secure the shell. Remove one side of the plastic cover. Turn the bike around for easier display. Disconnect all the connectors connected to the controller. Remove the 4 screws that secure the controller. Remove the controller. Replace the new controller. Connect the wires. Use a cable tie to tie up the wire harness to avoid pressing the wires. Put the wire harness into the bright material, making sure that the wires are not pressed around. Close the shell. Check that both sides of the shell are closed tightly. Secure the screws. Complete the folding e-bike controller replacement.